Hello, my name is Amy Cisse. Sometimes people will ask me about how you can share files with people inside of Teams and what's the difference between sharing files in chat versus in the Files tab. And so let's just take a look. When you are in a channel and you go to Files, this is using actually SharePoint, which is a site collection behind the scenes, and it stores the documents in the document library in the site collection. It's actually respecting the channel structure, and it puts all the documents in a folder based on that folder structure. So if you go back to Teams and you were to upload a document here, all the files are going to be available for all the members within that particular team or channel if it's a private channel. If you go to Posts, click on New Conversation. What I like to do is if I wanted to make someone aware that a file has been shared with them, then I like to include my message, and then I will select this little attach icon, and then I will select Browse Teams or Channels, and then I'll select that document and hit Share a Link and Send. The document, of course, stays in the Files, and you're just sharing a link, and they can come in and I usually like to open in Desktop app to give me the full experience of opening the document inside of Word. So if you're sharing files inside of chat, then that means that you are going to search for a particular user. If you go to Files, then you can hit Share, and maybe it's on your computer or maybe it's in OneDrive. So just select some random document, hit Open, and it'll upload that file to your OneDrive, and it's going to share it with that particular user. So let me just click away and then come back. So the document has been uploaded and it's been shared with user 03. And here's the document. So just taking a look in the browser at the OneDrive for both users. So again, it's stored in user 01's OneDrive. So let's take a look. I'm user 01, refresh. And here's Microsoft Chat Files. There's one item in there. AWS training. It was shared a minute ago with someone else. So if you go to that person's OneDrive, guess what? There's nothing there, right? Because it lives in the person's OneDrive that actually shared that file, and it just has a link to that document back to that original person's OneDrive. So that's how you can use files and share them. And the great thing about keeping all the documents inside of Teams and essentially behind the scenes SharePoint and OneDrive is that it's storing it in the cloud, and you don't have to worry about people not having access to those files and not having to resend them over and over again because they're in the cloud and they should have access to them. So that's how you can work with documents. Hope you enjoyed the video.